Hello and welcome. In this video, we shall discuss about the electric flux. Electric flux is the group or bunch of or tube of electric field lines of a charge. So we have a charge and we know electric field lines are the imaginary path on which the unit positive charge moves. In the previous video, we have seen the electric field lines for an isolated positive charge are all radiating outward, whereas for an isolated negative charge, the electric field lines are radiating inwards. When we consider a bunch of such electric field lines, this is what we call as electric flux. The electric flux is given by the formula phi is equals to summation of E dot ds. E is the strength of the electric field and delta S is the surface area under consideration. So we see that electric flux is the dot product of two vectors, that is electric field and the area element. The unit of electric flux is Newton per Coulomb meter square. The electric flux is represented in magnitude by phi is equals to E ds cos alpha. Alpha is the angle between E and ds. When we have the electric field and ds acting at certain angle, we have the dot product which is represented by E ds cos alpha. Here, when alpha is equals to 0, it means if the electric field and the area element is acting in the same direction, then angle alpha will be 0, and in such case phi becomes equal to E ds. As we know, cos alpha, that is cos 0, is equals to 1. This is the value of maximum flux. On the other hand, if alpha is equals to 90, that is the electric field vector and area vector are perpendicular to each other, then the value of angle alpha becomes 90, and since cos 90 is 0, therefore we have phi is equals to 0. This implies that no flux crosses the area when alpha is equal to 90 degrees. Let us look at the diagram. This is taken from the NCERT textbook. Here in the first diagram, we see that the area element, the shaded with blue color, is shown as delta S, and the normal to the area, which we call as area vector, is represented by n cap. When we consider the surface in the second diagram, it's an irregular shaped surface. A small area element is considered. The area vector n cap is acting perpendicular outward. If we have this object charged with positive charges, then electric field will also be acting outward, and in that case the angle alpha will be 0. This is what we mean by angle alpha is equals to 0, and that will make flux the maximum value, that is E ds. This is all about electric flux. Thank you. For queries in physics, log on to www.rupalide.com.